Good morning. Welcome to day, 1 billion, I think day 4 of our connected learning journey this week. I wanted to touch base with you this morning, go over directions for the activities in the packet for today. Today we're working on page 10, 11, and 12. So page 10 is a roll and solve subtraction activity. Of course, if you don't have any dice at home, your student can just solve the activities without the dice. If the amount of problems on this page is overwhelming for your student, please feel free to break it up. They can work on some now, some later, some today, some tomorrow, whatever works for your kiddo. Our standard and essential learning for this skill asks students to solve problems within 20 without any kind of counters or pictures to help them. So the strategy that we have worked on to solve subtraction equations is to grab the big number, put it in our brain, and then take away the little number. So our first equation says 11 minus 4, and we would solve that by going 11, put that in your brain, put up 4, and count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7. Many students can do that in their head without their fingers, but we're working towards using our fingers and counting backwards rather than drawing, for example, 11 circles and crossing out 4. On page 11, we have another activity where we are reading and applying what we read to help us answer questions. So we're talking about character traits, character details. The passage is about a little girl named Maria, and there are 3 questions that relate to Maria's character traits that students should be able to answer with help from the text. Page 12 of our packet is another word work activity. We learned about nouns. Nouns are a person, a place, or a thing. And the sentences, there's a word bank here with several different nouns. The sentences have an empty spot where a word goes. Students should choose a word from the box to fill into the sentence. There are letter boxes to help to kind of guide them and let them know if they're correct. For example, if your student thinks park goes in this first sentence, well, clearly park won't fit in these boxes, so that doesn't make sense. That's also going to help them with their letter formation and spelling and handwriting, thinking about the shape of the letters in the words. At the bottom of this same page, students are taking the words that are in the word bank and sorting them based on whether it's a person, a place, or thing. So that is the work that we have for day 4 of Connected Learning. If you have any questions, please contact me. If your students have a modified packet and you need directions, please contact me. Also, I sent out an email last night to whatever email you have on file with the school, just asking some questions, gathering some data about Connected Learning. If you are able to answer those questions back for me via email or via Remind, that would be a huge help. I'm being asked by administration to find out some more information about how Connected Learning is going. So again, please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.